this a real? Well, this model, where is it? Well, it might not bring brought it down, but it's a real model. But this one flies. I need someone to help me. Do what? To put this in and push this button for 100 seconds. Will anybody do that? I will. Okay. Do I have to count to 100? Well, I just need someone to use a watch or count. Need to count or someone use a watch.
Alright, I'll time it.
Okay. Wait 1 minute, it's not in. And if it comes out, how do you put it in? Here, let me put it in for you? Yeah. Okay, don't put it in all the way. Here, I'll show you. It doesn't have to go too far. And try not to do it like this, because then you're just streaming electricity out. Up in the air. It's in. Hold the plate and press the button. Alright, ready, set, go. And then when it's done, I'll tell you, and you get to fly it, okay? Okay. Because it does it just by itself. So, here we go. What do you think this would go like? Crazy or not crazy? Do you think it'll go like this? Wee, wee, wee! Or do you think it'll go like this? Wee! Or anyway, like that. Or do you think it'll go like this? Wee! Bonk.
I'm not really sure.
Which one do you think it will do?
We don't know.
The man with the dog. Did you count to 100? Keep it down.
Put it back on there.
Start it again, okay? When you start it again, okay, Daddy? What happens if you let go? Well, if you take it up, let go, it'll just fly. Okay, we don't want it to do that yet. Alright. Would you do the 100 seconds again? I didn't know. So you don't want to lift it up. Keep it still like this. So my hands are not going wee. Keep it like that.
Push the button.
So which one of these do you think will go faster? I need 3 volunteers this time. Which one of these do you think will go faster?
The green
Bullet?
one.
Green?
No, I'm going to go with the bullet plane. I think the bullet plane.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
You? What do you think?
I'm going to go with trick plane.
This one?
Are we measuring speed or are we measuring distance?
Speed.
Speed.
And then next we're going to measure that.
Okay.
Don't put it like that. It's upside down, okay. Let's see. And I know which one's going to do that. Okay, let's see. We need you to come over here.
I'm good.
You, go over there.
You're good.
Because it needs to go the same amount of...
We're good. We'll see if Mom's plane hits us before our plane hits her.
Okay. Ready, set, go! Well, Mommy's was going to hit ours first, but it looped-de-loop. Okay? And this is slowest, so I'm putting them in order. Fastest, second fastest,
Megan, I'm confused. How many minutes is 90 seconds? Or
slowest.
100 seconds?
And then how about this one? Is 1 minute. What do you think about this one? What's your predict about this one? What's like the weather forecast? 1 minute. That's how many minutes are in
1 minute even?
How fast
Not
would
1
this
minute even.
plane
Was
have
60
to go?
seconds.
How fast would this plane go? And a big
It's been 100 seconds. Got it.
What?
It's been 100 seconds.
Okay, let loose.
You gotta throw it. Nope. I don't think it's connected very well. See you, George.
Daddy, do you want to do this job? How fast do you think this would go in a snowstorm? How fast would you think this paper airplane would go in a snowstorm? If it was a real plane, we know. If it was a real plane,
Hi,
it's starting
George.
to come out a little. Just by a little. What is this? This was a real plane. How fast would it go? My feet are in a bucket. That's not how fast, but that's not what I'm asking. I'm asking how fast this would go if it's still a paper airplane. No changes, just the same. If I took this paper airplane out and threw it in a snowstorm, how fast do you think it would go?
Not very fast because it would get wet.
Yep, it'll go upwind.
Upwind.
And then it won't go too fast. But if I did strong enough, it will just go slow. But if I did it, it will just go whee! And if it'll go crazy, and it will go for a long time, right? So which one of these do you think will go faster? This one, or this one, or this one, or this one? Which one?
I'm going with what her mommy says.
Bullet plane's always the answer.
Bullet plane?
Mm-hmm.
Your guess? Bullet. Bullet? Yours? Guess?
Bullet plane. I'm the first guesser.
Okay. And race 2 at a time. And I'm gonna ask you, which one was the fastest? So you have to look at all of these. Okay? I'm taking a picture, Kyle. Let's see which one will go faster. Bullet won! And then which one of these do you think will go faster?
The orange one.
Orange guy.
No hints. Not allowed to
She
give.
said orange.
Let's see. Let's see if any of you are correct. Orange won! And then, let me tell you, and how fast were these guys going? What was the speed?
I don't know.
What was the speed? Just take a guess. 'Cause I don't know either. I'm just having you guys guess. Remember like when you're in the car and you can tell how fast, you know what it looks like. There to go.
I would take these guys throw in the water. Why did Mom put a trash bag in your bucket?
No clue. Probably because there's a certain bucket. The dirt makes the salt and into the water.
I didn't want any germs on her foot if she has an open area.
Pretty good thinking, Maggie.
I'm smart. It's my birthday. Airplane. So I'm gonna have you guys take a look at it and tell me if you see any difference to a real airplane. You can actually hold it. Look at it very closely.
Wow, that's really cool.
Tell me if you see any difference.
I don't know.
Tell me a
It's
difference.
got wings, and tail, and prop.
But what is it different from?
It's green.
Some airplanes can look like this, but it's not the paint, what it looks like. It's the feel. That's a good one. You? You can do one if you want to. It's from paper. Nope.
What's the question?
What are some differences between that one and a real airplane, Daddy?
Shape.
Nope. Well, you got a really good one, but there's actually a couple others. This is made out of different material that it is. The whole thing. And this is smaller. And you got a good one. It's actually feels different. And it runs by a remote. See those difference? And real plane does not run by a remote. It does not feel like this. Or it's not the size. And it's not made of this. And here's a cool plane that I brought to demonstrate with you. This is a neat one. The wheels actually move. But what are these two things right here? What are these? these two things? What do they do and what are they called? What are these two things?
Are they missiles?
No! But
Not
what do missiles do?
missiles shoot things.
Yup. What do you think? Right here. Let me get to you. You. Megan. You. Yeah? What do you think these are for and what they're called?
How do you go potty?
I think they make the plane goes faster. And I think they're called jets. That's a very close one. High five. What do you think? These two
They're
things
called
are
jet engines or jet turbines.
jet engines. And then what do they exactly do? Here, Jonathan.
Just what Megan said.
Yeah, they help you lift up and make you go faster. Yes, I got the
They
answer.
provide thrust.
Yep, that's a very good one too. They help you with lots of different things to keep the plane in the air. And if it lands in the water, it might still go, so it can push it back up.
Wait a minute.
It can sort of push it back to shore.
I disagree.
Another cookie?
If you had the plane
Two
with
altogether.
jets, engines
What?
on
You got
attached to
two
it,
altogether.
I know I have
Right.
just one.
Then you get one more.
What?
You disagree.
What?
If you had just the main body of the plane without any wings and attached jet engines to it, would it stay in the air?
What?
Would it stay in the air?
No.
No. What would it do?
It would fall.
What if it was on the ground already? Would it lift off? You turn
Yeah.
the jets on. You turn the jets full throttle.
Yeah, it goes faster.
It goes faster. Does it go up in the air
Yep.
without any wings?
Oh no.
No. What does it do?
It just stays on the ground.
Until it hits a tree?
Yeah.
Okay, so what happens if you have wings
It can help lift up.
and no jets?
It can't lift up because it goes go. That's what it'd be like.
What happens if another plane was pulling it?
Going fast?
Uh-huh.
It would. Well, if the plane's going fast enough, it'll have enough speed to pick up the other plane. But if it wasn't, it'd go whee! Maybe even the other
So
one
wait,
would
wait a
fall.
minute. So the wing, if the wing's standing still, it's not going to make it go up?
Yeah, because the wing has to turn too.
So the wing, if it's just sitting there like that, not moving, the wing's not going to lift it up?
Well, this also helps. Right here.
What happens when wind hits that, when that plane starts going really fast, or wind starts hitting that wing really fast?
Yeah,
What happens then?
it can lift. It lifts it up.
Lifts it up. The wing does it all by itself. All it
Nope.
has to do is be going fast.
The motor does too.
Oh.
And then, how does this? What is this right here? Any guesses? You?
Tail fin.
Well, this is the tail fin. What's this? Right on it. That little curvy piece.
Oh, that's another missile.
Nope. Megan, your guess. This curvy piece right there. It's part of the tail. Well, it is part of the tail, but you guess.
It's somebody's luggage?
No. I got it mostly right, but yeah, that's really mostly right. But here's one of the parts that does. There's like a little compeller that can help it work. It just gives wind on the back to push the plane forward.
So it's like another jet engine?
Yeah. But,
Inside the wing? Inside the tail thing?
Yeah.
It's not a suitcase?
yeah, it's not a suitcase. Do you think a suitcase will go up on the fin, and then how would you get it down? Or it'll fall off, right? It'll fall off.
You have a good point.
But this won't fall off. Look, so if I flew it, did that thing fall off?
Kyle, I have a question for you. Since my feet are wet right now,
Yeah.
and can you get me that pillow or a pillow?
Sure. you. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. All these shoes are not balance.
Hi, George.
Now, what are we going to talk about? We talked about air.